Welcome. This informational video is designed to help you decide if our home ownership program is right for you. It is not an exhaustive list of everything you will need to know to become a Habitat homeowner. Columbia County Habitat for Humanity is a nonprofit, faith-based community organization modeled after Habitat for Humanity International. All Habitat affiliates are individual, nonprofit organizations operating independently. Our affiliate serves members of Columbia County in Oregon. Each affiliate has a separate application process. Applications are not transferable between affiliates, and you can only be in one program at a time. We are committed to helping our low-income families in need buy a simple, decent, affordable home. Families can be defined as individuals, singles, couples, partners, families with or without children, multi-generational families, etc. The application process is impartial. Familial status, age, race, color, religion, sex, handicap, and sexual orientation, gender identity, or national origins play no part in selection. Habitat is a hand up, not a handout. Selected families spend more than a year working on the construction, financing, and education of components on their way to owning their home. This is not an emergency housing program. Although people associate Habitat with building, we also help with financing an affordable mortgage. Affordable means the payments include taxes and insurance will not be more than 30% of your gross income. Owning your own home means your monthly payment will be relatively stable over the life of your loan, and that you will be building equity in your home over time. Equity is the difference between what you owe on the mortgage and what your home is currently worth. If you owe $150,000 on your mortgage loan and your home is worth $200,000, you have $50,000 of equity in your home. As you pay down your mortgage, the amount of equity in your home will rise. Habitat for Humanity homeowners earn equity at an accelerated rate due to low interest and a second mortgage that is forgiven incrementally. This builds long-term family wealth. Owning a home can have an impact for generations. Our application process opens only when we have obtained land to build on. Applications are taken only for that location. We are not a custom builder, so families do not choose a floor plan or building materials. Columbia County Habitat for Humanity strives to provide a simple, decent home that will fit the size of your family. While finished homes are sold for the full appraised value at the time of closing, typical Habitat loans include 2 or more layers of financing. You will make payments on the first mortgage, which may be a USDA loan. The second mortgage is forgivable incrementally over time. There is no down payment, but you will need to save for loan closing costs. Columbia County Habitat for Humanity is a provider of the IDA Matched Savings Program. If you are interested in participating in the Oregon IDA initiative outside of the Habitat program, please ask for more information. As a partner family, you will be expected to contribute to the construction of your home. No prior building experience is necessary. We will teach you how to help. If you are physically unable to assist with construction, we will find other volunteer activities to fulfill the program's requirements. Columbia County Habitat for Humanity requires each partner family to earn 400 hours of sweat equity. Half of these hours may be donated by your friends and family. You may also earn hours by attending the required educational classes or helping out in our restore. Everyone is welcome to apply to our homeownership program. There are many benefits to owning a home. However, it isn't ideal for everyone. Making regular on-time monthly payments is critical. You will damage your credit rating and could even lose the house in foreclosure. Please carefully consider if you are ready for this type of commitment. Habitat for Humanity selects partner families based on 3 main criteria: need for decent housing, the ability to pay back a mortgage, and a willingness to partner with Habitat. If your housing is substandard, overcrowded, unaffordable, or you are functionally homeless, you will likely meet our need qualifications. Columbia County Habitat for Humanity serves Columbia County residents with an income range between 35 to 60% of the area median income as established by HUD. These income limits change annually and are based on household size. As an example, in 2021, a family of 4 would have a minimum income of $33,845 and a maximum of $58,020. Not all incomes are treated the same, so we encourage everyone to apply. Having at least 2 years of steady, reliable income will give you the best chance of getting approved. Debt is also a consideration. If you have too much debt at this time for a successful application, we encourage you to work towards reducing debt and reapply at a later date. Applicants with a credit score above 640 are ideally suited to this program. Scores will improve over time with regular on-time payments. Some families have applied more than once before being chosen. The last main criteria point is willingness to partner with Habitat. This includes timely and honest submission of the applications and supporting documents. Participating in home visits as well as completing the sweat equity hours required. Attending educational events and saving for closing costs during your time as a Habitat partner. In addition to these 3 selection criteria, applicants also need to be U.S. citizens or have permanent residency in the U.S., live or work in Columbia County for at least 1 year, and pass both a sex offender check and a criminal background check. You also cannot have owned a house in the past 3 years. Most applicants are screened out due to poor credit or high debt. To increase your chances of success, make sure to stay current on all payments including rent, car, credit card, and utility payments. Also, request and keep copies of receipts for all paid debts and collections. Maintain records for your pay stubs and bank statements. As you move forward in the application process, we will periodically request your most current pay stubs and bank statements. Having these documents handy will help avoid any delays in the process. We strongly encourage applicants to not do any of the following. Do not apply for other new credit. This includes opening new credit cards or leasing or purchasing vehicles with loans. Don't co-sign for anyone on anything. Lastly, don't max out your credit cards. These types of actions can have a negative impact on your credit score as well as affect your monthly debt-to-income ratio. Although this is a long process that can be intimidating at times, we at Habitat want to see you succeed, and we will help guide you through your time partnering with us in this endeavor. If you are interested in our home ownership program, please contact us at info@habitatcolumbiacounty.org or call us at 503-366-1400 extension 2. Please include your name, phone number, email, mailing address, and household size. Once our application round opens, we will generally send an email notification to those on our list, including information on how to sign up for the required orientation meeting. Please let us know if your information changes so that we are able to contact you when the window opens next.